I have noticed something about Uganda's army chief, General Muhoozi. When he's talking to Ugandans, and sometimes to Kenyans, he threatens. He talks big. He issues wild ultimatums. 2 weeks ago, he boasted about opposition supporters who had been eliminated. He made it clear that Bobi Wine was his next target. This guy treats human life, African human life, as if it's nothing, as if it's mere rubbish to be swept away. That's not strength, that is cowardice and cruelty. But then something changes when the audience changes. The moment the United States is involved, the same man who can warn a whole nation suddenly discovers good manners. Suddenly, he apologizes. Suddenly, he claims that he was misinformed. And then comes the humiliation. U.S. Senator Jim Risch, chairman of the U.S. Senate Foreign Relations Committee, has rejected Muhoozi's apology. He says that Muhoozi has crossed the red line. Hollow apologies do not fix reckless behavior. If this tweet had come from Bobi Wine or from another fellow African, Muhoozi would have issued multiple midnight tweets, ranting and threatening. What does that mean? That he only threatens when he believes or when he thinks that people are powerless. That's cowardice. Fellow Africans, do not normalize reckless rhetoric from leaders. Do not clap for arrogance that degrades the dignity of citizens. No human being, however powerful or rich, should ever degrade you or look down on you. Any African who looks down on fellow Africans is but a neo-colonial house Negro.